In front of me is REALME Narzo 60, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. First of all, you need to access Devices Settings and click on Bluetooth right away. Then click on the grey switcher next to it to activate it, and wait for available devices to show up. When they do, click on the one that you wish to connect to. Now select pair and wait for the other device to accept your connection request. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. To disconnect them, tap on this icon next to the device and choose Unpair under device name. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!